The power of compound interest. How to grow your wealth. Compound interest is a powerful financial concept that can help you grow your wealth significantly over time. It involves earning interest not only on your initial investment, but also on the interest that accumulates over time. Here's how to harness the power of compound interest to grow your wealth. 1. Start early. The earlier you begin investing or saving, the more time your money has to compound. Time is a crucial factor in maximizing the benefits of compound interest. 2. Invest regularly. Make consistent contributions to your investments or savings. This could be through regular deposits into a savings account or contributions to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. 3. Choose the right investments. Select investments that offer compound interest. Common options include savings accounts, certificates of deposits, CDs, bonds, and stocks. Stocks, in particular, have historically offered higher long-term returns. 4. Reinvest dividends and interest. Instead of cashing out dividends or interest, reinvest them into your investments. This allows your earnings to generate more earnings. 5. Avoid early withdrawals. Try to avoid withdrawing funds from your investments prematurely, as this can disrupt the compounding process. Some investments have penalties for early withdrawals. 6. Stay consistent. Maintain a long-term investment perspective. Markets can be volatile, but consistency over time can help smooth out fluctuations and take advantage of compounding. 7. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks, which offer tax benefits and allow your investments to grow tax-free or tax-deferred. 8. Increase contributions. As your income grows or your financial situation improves, increase your contributions to your investments. This accelerates the growth of your wealth through compounding. 9. Diversify. Diversifying your investments can help manage risk while still benefiting from compound interest. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce overall risk. 10. Automate savings. Set up automatic contributions to your investments or savings accounts. This ensures that you consistently save and invest without having to think about it. 11. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about different investment options, strategies, and financial planning. Knowledge is a valuable tool for making informed financial decisions. 12. Monitor and adjust. Periodically review your investments and financial goals. Adjust your strategy as needed based on changes in your circumstances or market conditions. The power of compound interest can turn relatively modest savings into substantial wealth over time, especially when combined with smart financial habits and a long-term perspective. Remember that while compound interest is a powerful tool, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and discipline. Start early, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow exponentially over the years.